Hello students, welcome again to your Maths Fun World. Kids, in previous videos we had learned how to do addition with carrying vertical. Today we will do addition with carrying through statements. अब यहाँ पर हमें एक word problem दिया हुआ है. We will read it and solve. Question is, Anviha likes to read storybooks a lot. She started reading a new storybook in which she read 48 pages on Saturday and 27 pages on Sunday. How many pages did she read in all? Let's add and know through statements. Number of pages Anviha read on Saturday is equal to 48. Number of pages she read on Sunday is equal to 27. Number of pages read by Anviha in all are is equal to what? So firstly, we will arrange the two-digit numbers in the column of tens and ones and add the digits of ones column first, which are 8 and 7. So keep 8 in your mind and count 7 forward to 8. आपको 8 को अपने माइंड में रखना है और अपने 7 फिंगर्स ओपन करनी है. 7 फिंगर्स ओपन करने के बाद उसमें 8 से आगे मींस 8 से फॉरवर्ड काउंट करनी है 9 से. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. तो ये लास्ट 7 फिंगर पे आया होगा 15. It means 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. As 15 is a two-digit number, so write down 5 in ones column and carry 1 over to the tens column. Now we will add the tens column digits, including carried number. In tens column, numbers are 4 plus 2. We will also add carried number 1. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 and 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So write down 7 in tens column. In answer, we get number of pages read by Anviha in all are 75. Let's take one more example. In a school, there were 19 classes. After 1 year, 18 more classes were built. How many classes are there in all now? Number of classes in a school were is equal to 19. Number of classes built more is equal to 80. Number of classes in all are is equal to what? Firstly, we will arrange these numbers in the column of tens and ones. Then add the digits of ones column first, which are 9 and 8. So keep 9 in your mind and count 8 forward to 9. Means आपको अपनी 8 fingers open करनी है और उन 8 fingers पर आपको 9 से forward, 9 के आगे, 9 के just after 10 से counting start करनी है. उन्हीं 8 fingers पर 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. आपके लास्ट फिंगर पे 17 नंबर आया होगा. It means 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. As 17 is a two-digit number, so write down 7 in ones column and carry over 1 to the tens column. Now we will add the tens column digits, including the carried number. The tens column digits are 1 plus 1. We will also add carried number 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and 2 plus 1 carried number is equal to 3. So write down 3 in tens column. In answer we get number of total classes in school are 37. Now the last example is 35 people were standing in a line to withdraw money. 7 more came. How many people are standing in a line now? Number of people standing in a line is equal to 35. Number of people came more is equal to 7. Total number of people standing in a line is equal to what? So arrange the given numbers in the column of tens and ones and add ones column digits first, which are 5 and 7. Keep 5 in your mind and count 7 forward to 5. Means आपको अपनी 7 fingers open करनी है और 5 के just after 6 से काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करनी है उन 7 फिंगर्स पर. So let's start. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. लास्ट फिंगर पे आपके 12 आया होगा. It means 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. As 12 is a 2-digit number, so write down 2 in 1's column and carry 1 over to the 10's column. Now we will add 10's digit columns. Here in 10's column, there is only one digit, that is 3. Now we will add the carried number 1. So 3 plus carried number 1 is equal to 4. Write down 4 in 10's column. In answer we get 42 people are standing in line now. I hope kids, you may have understood the concept of how to do addition through statements. Now it's your practice time. The question is, complete the page number 91 in your book. So that's it for today kids. Now we will meet again in next video. Till then, stay safe and secure by following some precautions. Wear mask, follow health and hygiene, and maintain social distance. Thank you.